An Edwards F-22 Raptor completed a test flight March 18th on a 50-50 fuel blend of conventional petroleum-based JP-8 and a hydro-treated renewable jet fuel known as HRJ. This flight test marked the first time this type of biofuel has been used in a fifth-generation fighter like the F-22.
We've tested SPK prior on this jet with a blend with JP-8. This time we're testing the HRJ, which is a bio-SPK, on the F-22 with the blend of JP-8. So during the data analysis, we're going to determine what the differences are between Fischer-Tropsch SPK and the hydrogen renewable jet fuel of the bio-SPK. This analysis has not been performed yet, and we're also comparing against the baseline JP-8. So we're going to compare the three different fuel types and see what the differences are.
The flight was a capstone in a series of ground and flight test events conducted by the F-22 Combined Test Force using HRJ in the F-22. The overall test objective was to evaluate biofuel fuel blend suitability in the F-22 weapon system. The Raptor performed nearly an hour and a half of maneuvers that included supersonic and supercruise test points.
Big picture, it was a great success, mostly because we had a pretty short timeline to do this, and everybody pulled together in order to make the testing work out well, to make the planning work out well, and to ultimately have a successful test on Friday in a short amount of time. Once the data is reviewed and once we look through everything, the next thing will be a certification to allow this fuel blend to ultimately be used on the F-22, and then future testing then to allow this fuel blend to perhaps be used in other fighter-sized aircraft as well, like the F-15 or the A-10.
In February, Air Force officials certified the entire C-17 Globemaster III fleet for unrestricted flight operations using the HRJ biofuel blend. Jet Fabera, Edwards Air Force Base, California.